guys, today we make history again. Ice Adolescence has released a teaser trailer. Ooh. If you don't know, Ice Adolescence was announced in 2016 and it is now the hellscape that is 2020. This is the only guiding light we have been given in this year, and finally we have been given some good. To celebrate this occasion, I am going to recreate Victor's most iconic look. No, not this one. Not that one either. No, that one. Yeah, we like this one. I like this one. It's going to be more of an inspired eye look. I already did my entire face. If you want to know how I do that, watch literally any other video I've ever made. But today I'm just going to zoom in super close on my eye, and we're going to do something really fancy, and I hope you guys like it. All right, first things first, we're going to prime the eyes because we want the sparkly loveliness to show up and stay. I did make one major mistake. I wanted to put tape on the edge of my eye to make everything nice and crisp, but then I did my entire face. So tape wouldn't stick and it would ruin all my hard work. So we're just gonna go ahead and wing it. So I'm taking white concealer and we're gonna outline everything that we're gonna do today. Here we go. So we're gonna make one wing and then we're gonna go way above everything, kind of outline the eye, but way above where your eye is. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're gonna fill that bad boy in and kind of like make it look a little bit better. Next eye. Did it work? Now we're gonna set this with a white powder because it'll help, one, it not crease, and two, for everything to blend a little bit better later. And everything that I do with my finger, you can do with a brush. I just like to use my finger. All right, so all we're gonna do is start an ombre from the darker color of his outfit on the outside of the eye, and then we're gonna fade it into the lighter colors. And we're going in with matte colors first, but the real good stuff is later when we do the sparkle. I can't talk while I do this. Goodbye. Now that I have like a basic outline done, I'm just gonna pack some color in there, just so I know where I'm going. It's really important to get in this crease because otherwise the white might start showing through and that's not what you want. So I'm just kind of using the same brush I was using to tack on powder, so there's like a little bit still left on there. And we're just gonna smooth it. Life is cruel when one eye turns out a lot better than the other one. Alright, we're taking that slightly lighter pink and going in the inner corner. So it doesn't look like a lot is happening, but with this, we're just giving it like a pink tint. Because if you look at his outfit, it's really, really light pink. So I'm just working with what I have right now, and I actually am okay with it kind of blending into the white concealer a little bit. So we're just gonna slowly blend both of these together. And as you can see, the white concealer is basically all hidden up, and if there's anything left, we'll mess with it later. It's sparkle time. So you either want to use your finger for sparkle, or you want to use like a super dense brush. If you use a super fluffy one like you would to like blend eyeshadow, it's not going to show up as good. So I'm going in with a much darker, shiny pink. And we're just gonna slowly, slowly, slowly build it up. Light pink. I can go in with my finger on this part because I usually put sparkle here, so I'm really used to it. And you know what? Some people say you never want to put glitter in your crease or like above your lid because it increases the wrinkles. Just do it. Just have fun. Like, your eye wrinkles anyways, you might as well look good. Cool. Eyeliner. We're doing a nice big wing. Just the entire thing that you sketched out with your eyeshadow, we're just gonna go right across that line and we're just gonna follow it all the way down to the lid. I don't think we're gonna go all the way across the lid. We're not gonna cover all of it. We want our eye to be a little bit longer. And how you do that is you just do the wing on the outside and then only go to like a third of the way in. And it helps to elongate the eye a little bit. You'll see. You know what? I think I'm gonna put a little line in the inner corner because it helps to even elongate the eye even more, and I want it to be just sassy. Now, since Victor is our lovely gold medalist, and this movie will probably focus around him in his younger days, like absolutely owning the Olympics, we're gonna give him some gold because he deserves it. So we're just gonna put it under the wing. And we're also going to do the same thing on the inner corner. Kind of following the bottom tear duct. Just kind of get it right in there and then oh! Beauty is pain, people. Beauty is pain. Just don't cry. After surviving that, we're going to add just like the accents to the eye that I feel like just bring everything together as I grab the wrong pencil. So tight lining is something that's very uncomfortable for people who usually don't do makeup because you're going so close to your eye. So you do not have to do this part, but I think it just brings everything together. It makes the entire eye seem more seamless. Your eyeliner looks better. I'm not gonna say natural, but it looks seamless. So we're gonna go ahead, dive in and try it. So your eyeliner goes above your eye. This one goes under your eyelashes. There's like a little shelf on your eye. This is totally safe to do. And we're gonna go all the way in. Now, try not to poke yourself. And a big trick to doing a big wing like this that I've learned is that you draw in this little corner of your eye and you go down a little bit. And it helps to just blend everything in a little bit better. No one ever tells you to do this. I had to figure this out on my own. That you have to draw on the inside of your gosh dang eye for everything to work. This is also something you don't need to do, but since we put black on the top of the eye, if we were to put black on the bottom of the eye, that really just closes off your eye. I wanted our eyes to go like this, very cat-like, but I don't want to make it a full grunge look of just like tiny eye ring out. I want my eyes to be big, but long. So that's why we're gonna put like a lighter color in the waterline. So same thing we did up here, but with a light color. So it's gonna open our eyes while also accentuating them from the top. So same thing, you're going under the lash line, but this time it's over the lash line. This one is also equally uncomfortable. Now, you just wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And last but not least, if you are doing any sort of really kind of crazy looking eye look like this, I think it looks fine like this, but if you have the patience and the mood of the day, I would highly suggest always putting on some false eyelashes. Don't do it every day, you don't need to, but if you're trying to look extra fancy, oh my goodness, it is going to just bring this from a 9 to a 10, or maybe even from a 10 to an 11. So I was gonna end it there because it's just an eye look tutorial, but then I remembered I have this cool gold lip gloss that I never wear, and it's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on for good old Victor. We did it! I think it turned out really nice actually. I was a little bit worried because doing it without tape sometimes, like I can't get the angles right, and I don't think they're even, but adding liner and false eyelashes really helps to hide any mistakes that you made. But I hope this helped you guys to realize that you don't need cons, you don't need a full cosplay to show like your love for a character. Sometimes you can just paint your face a little bit and you know that it's your favorite character, and maybe some other people will know as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, I would love a like, maybe a comment just to say, hey, you did good, and I'll be like, yo, thanks, man. And if you also really like me, you could subscribe. I try to post every Friday either con or makeup related material, and I just hope you guys have an amazing week, weekend, day, night, wherever you may be, and I hope you have a great day.